How to change your password on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then click here, and now go to setting and privacy, and then click this one, your account, click on it, and then click this one, change your password, click on it. And now all you need to do is just type your current password here, and here you need to type your new password, 19 you want, and then type it again here, and then just click this one, update password. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.